Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So today I'm coming back with another DIY. We are transforming my old Ottoman to a new one, a brand new one. Yeah guys, I cannot take credit for this Ottoman. As you can see how beautifully it turned out. It was actually teamwork, my idea, and my people, they helped me to do this work. Yeah, so but ladies, you can do this by yourself. It wasn't difficult, nothing difficult to do. Yeah, you just take it out, obviously the top part, the door for your Ottoman, so that you are able to cover the box. Yeah, so here we were just taking the measurements so that I'm going to sew the cloth that we're going to be putting on the Ottoman. It's very easy. For someone who doesn't know how to sew, you can, here in South Africa, for example, there's people who sit on the street doing sewing. You can go to those people because it's just a small place that you need to sew. Yeah, so go to them. Maybe they will charge you about 30 rand to sew that portion and come back in the house and carry on and do your Ottoman. It's simple, simple, simple. Unfortunately, I do think you do need to sew with the machine because it makes the stitch more tighter than sewing with the hand. So here I was just checking if I've measured, I've put everything, if my material is enough, because I didn't measure the Ottoman before I went to the shop. I just went and I bought 4 meter, which in 4 meter I was able to cover my headboard and this Ottoman here. So I was just checking the measurement if everything is fine before starting to sew the whole thing. So finished sewing. Now we're just going to dress it like this. You can either choose to cut it in 4 parts. I chose to cut it in 2 parts, and you're gonna see at the end where I was sewing. I made sure that that part is on the back side of the Ottoman. It came out beautifully, and this Ottoman, guys, was finished. As you can see down there, it is finished, but we were able to revive it. I think I won't be explaining much from now on. You can just check the video and look and get some ideas. Yeah, it's not a difficult job at all. Okay, my dear helper here will finish to stapler the whole thing, and my husband will be helping later on to put the legs. It was actually the following day he put the door back and the legs, because we didn't use the same hinges that came with this one, so we had to use the new hinges to put the door. But everything came out beautifully, and yeah, thanks to my 2 helpers.
I got you, and you got me too.
I've got a new Ottoman without going to the shop, so I'm really happy with that. Love the color. As I said, navy is my color. I am transforming my room, but I'm just doing it in installments, not rushing it. So that's why I'm keep on just sharing just hints of what I'm doing in my room. Finished already painting. I didn't see the need to share that part, but maybe in the final video I'll show you guys. I painted my room, and yeah, like what is left right now, maybe I want to maybe transform my bedroom suits, because I don't like brown. I never liked brown, even from from the beginning, but that's what I got in the shop, and I said, okay, let me take this one. Yeah, so here right now what we are doing is to again cut the foam according to the size of the door. This is the last foam that I had already left, and I said, you know, I will not go to the shop and buy. I will just improvise with this one. I'll cut it half, and then I'll put a stapler where it's gonna be ending, like where right now. Just put a stapler, and then voila, you have the equal measurements to the door. Yeah, okay guys, I think I will just end at here. You will see the transformation at the end. I will show everything near all the details of this ottoman. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time and you like this kind of content, which is, I don't really do DIYs, but I mean, it's my lifestyle. This is including in my lifestyle. I like to do DIYs. It's something that will be included in the channel, but the channel is not mainly a DIY channel. Yeah, it is just Mommy Life channel. We clean, we cook, we do anything to improve our house. Homemaker in general, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please stay tuned for the end of this video and just check everything, all the details of this ottoman. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday. Someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into you.